Okay, so with this holiday question here, okay, we just need to go through the bullet points and we can select the dates that we need. The important thing here though is that it says children under the age of 5 go free and they don't have to pay any of the supplements, so don't forget that. And in fact, we can see here 3 children aged 13, 8 and 4. Okay, well, you can sort of ignore the 4-year-old here, or the 4-year-old's going to be free, yeah? Okay, because it's quite clear here, it states that. So we're actually only paying for 2 children, okay, and of course the 2 adults. So they book a 7-night holiday to Menorca, okay. It says they decide to book the holiday with an arrival date of 10th of August. So we can go to the table here, see where the 10th of August is. So it's there, yeah. And that means this is the price they're going to pay, £498, okay, per adult. And then £219 then across this row here, yeah, for children between those ages, okay. So let's work that out to start with here. So we can say, look, the cost here, first of all, the cost for the adults will be, well, we've got 498, and there's 2 of them, okay, so that will times by 2, so we get 996, okay. And then the cost of the children, well, even though there's 3 children, they're only paying for 2, as we mentioned, and that would, so that price there is 219, yeah, times 2, and we get 438, okay. So then we look at the supplements. So what does it say? They have chosen to book rooms with a sea view, so £4. They also decide to have an all-inclusive package for the whole family. So we've got £25 there. Now what you can do with the supplements, you could see which ones we've selected, which are those 2. So the total price there for the supplements will be £29, yeah? So we could sort of do all this in one go in terms of the total cost of the supplements, all right? But you must remember, this is the price per person per night, okay? So when I say here cost of supplements, okay, we can say, look, it's £29, but that really needs to write next to it, per person, per night, okay? Now, if it's per person, we can now multiply this to see what it'll be for the whole family. But please remember that the children under 5 don't have to pay for the supplements. So it's actually only going to be 2 children here and the 2 adults, okay? So in total, it'll be 4 times £29, okay? That will be the cost of supplements, okay, for the family. 4 times £29, which works out to be £116. But again, remember, right, we've sorted out now this is for the whole family, but this is per night, okay? So then to work it out for the whole holiday, well, because they're staying for 7 nights, okay, this will equal to 116 times 7, okay? So we can work that out on our calculator, and we get £812, okay, for the holiday, for the whole holiday, for the whole 7 days, okay. So to complete that then, right, we need to get the total bill will be the 996 for the adults, 438 for the children, and 812 then for the supplements. So we'll add them together and we get £2,246.